Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're opening both the Nissan GT-R R35s from the 2020 Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, the Mainline and the Super Treasure Hunt. So we'll start out with the Mainline here. It is car 10 of 10 and it's in that really nice white color. Simple red stripe on the hood, the roof and the trunk. Those grey wheels look pretty cool as well with that black die-cast base, tinted windows and a black interior. Really nice with the detail on the rear there. We've got the tail lights, we've got the anniversary symbol because it's the 50th anniversary for the GT-R R35 from Nissan. So that's pretty cool. Big thumbs up if you're enjoying the video, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Now the Super Treasure Hunt. Again, it is car 10 of 10 in that Speed Graphics Series 4 2020, and it's in that Spectra Flame Blue. It is a spectacular color on this car. Got the tinted windows again and a grey interior. It's got the white stripe instead of a red stripe on the white one. Now the difference here being blue for the Super Treasure Hunt versus the white for the Mainline, this particular blue color was actually released on the 50th anniversary production model as a special color release. So that is pretty awesome that we're seeing it here in Hot Wheels. So that's why we've got a different color Mainline and a different color Super Treasure Hunt. But I must say, this Super is awesome. I really like these Real Rider wheels with that blue chrome rim. Very nice car. Look, neither of these cars would be very good on the track due to that lip at the front there on the bumper, but damn, this Super Treasure Hunt is fine. Let me know if you've already picked one up in stores. Alright, let's just check both of these cars in comparison. So here they are. Got that blue one and the white one. So again, the Super Treasure Hunt and the Mainline. Very similar. Same black bases, same tinted windows. Obviously, we have different wheels and we have different colors. You know what? I still really like that plain white one. I wouldn't pass it up, but that Spectra Flame on the Super Treasure Hunt is really nice. We've got the same details on all of them, except that Super does have the STH symbol for Treasure Hunt there on the rear. Very nice cars. Alright, big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew, and let me know in the comments below, have you already found this Nissan GT-R R35 in the Super Treasure Hunt? Or maybe you've picked up the Mainline. Alright everyone, thanks for watching.